So I will explain why the exposure compensation dial on your Fujifilm camera is not working. And this is a common question for people who have recently switched to Fujifilm from Nikon or Canon or Sony. So when you first look at the top of a Fujifilm camera like the X-T2, X-T3, X-T4, you're not going to see a designated mode dial. So you're not going to see aperture priority, shutter priority, full manual mode. It just appears to be a full manual mode only camera. But the thing is, the Fujifilm cameras, they all have these modes. You'll notice that each dial has an A on it, and that indicates the control is set to auto mode. So if we switch only the shutter speed dial to A, then you're of course in aperture priority. If you switch the aperture ring to A, we're now in shutter priority mode, and you can see that the EV compensation dial is now functioning exactly the way it's supposed to. So hit the like button if this video helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more photography related videos, and I will see you in the next one. Later.